General knowledge quiz. I will give you simple questions. You have to answer without Googling and ChatGPT. If you score 6 out of 6, trust me, you have God level of IQ. Question 1. How many continents are there in the world? Answer B. 7. Question 2. What is the capital city of Germany? Answer C. Berlin. Question 3. What is the cleanest country in the world? Answer B. Iceland. Question 4. What is the richest country in the world? Answer A. Luxembourg. Question 5. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer A. Sahara Desert. Question 6. Which country has the beautiful girls in the world? Drop your answer in the comment box.